The legend returns. The all-new 2026 Honda NSX is here, blending cutting-edge hybrid technology with breathtaking performance. Honda has redefined the supercar world once again. Let's dive into what makes the new NSX an absolute beast. Under the hood, the 2026 NSX features a twin-turbocharged V6 paired with next-gen hybrid technology. With a power output of over 700 horsepower, it launches from 0 to 60 in just 2.5 seconds. The all-wheel drive system and precision handling make this car a true track monster. Honda has completely reimagined the NSX's design. With a lightweight carbon fiber body, active aerodynamics, and a more aggressive stance, it not only looks stunning, but also cuts through the air like never before. The redesigned LED headlights and futuristic taillights add a modern touch. Inside, the NSX is all about driver focus. A fully digital cockpit, racing-inspired steering wheel, and premium Alcantara seats make every drive thrilling. Plus, with Honda's latest AI-assisted driving tech, it's smarter and safer than ever. The 2026 Honda NSX is a masterpiece of engineering, delivering speed, style, and technology in one breathtaking package. What do you think? Is this the ultimate supercar? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic car content.